How to uninstall and reinstall Wayfair app properly. First of all, open the settings on your device and scroll down to find the apps or application manager option. Tap on it and look for the Wayfair app from the list of installed apps. Once you find it, tap on Wayfair to open its details page. Here you will see options like open, uninstall and force stop. Tap on uninstall and when the confirmation message appears, tap OK to remove the app completely from your device. This will delete all stored data and free up space. Now to reinstall the Wayfair app, open the Play Store and tap on the source icon. In the source bar at the top, type Wayfair and press the source button. Select the official app developed by Wayfair LLC and tap install. The download will begin and might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap on Open to launch the app. If the app is not available in your region, you can reinstall it using APK Pure. Open APK Pure, search for Wayfair, tap on the app and then select Install. Wait until the process completes, then open the app and start using it again. Now you know how to uninstall and reinstall the Wayfair app properly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.